Mystery curtain here. Today we're unlocking the secrets behind a device that's been the talk of the tech world. Stick around as we run real-world tests. The ASUS Zenbook A14 UX3407 has been nominated for the Best Value Laptop category at the Better Choice Awards 2025, and for good reason. It is one of the rare 14-inch laptops weighing under 1 kilogram, yet it still carries a large battery, a full set of ports, and a design that embraces on-device AI experiences such as real-time subtitle translation and AI assistance for questions, without requiring an internet connection. At its launch in early 2025, ASUS claimed it to be the lightest 14-inch Copilot PC in the world. At just 980 grams, achieved by using 100% recycled ceraluminum that is 30% lighter and 3 times more durable than conventional aluminum, while also offering battery life of up to 32 hours of offline video playback, or nearly 20 hours of web browsing. These claims strike directly at the everyday pain points of mobile workers' heavy backpacks, chargers that must be carried everywhere, and laptops that quickly pick up scratches and fingerprints. In real use, this promise holds up. Wired's independent tests recorded over 20 hours of continuous use on 2 separate trials, and called it a record level for modern thin and light laptops. PC World benchmarked the device at 1,436 minutes, or almost 24 hours, while Artings measured around 19 hours on light office tasks. The consistency of these results shows that the Zenbook A14 genuinely offers all-day battery performance, freeing its user from the anxiety of hunting for a power outlet. Portability does not come at the cost of usability either. Despite being under 1 kilogram, the chassis still houses 2 USB 4 ports, a USB, a port, HDMI 2.1, and a 3.5 mm headphone jack, allowing office workers, students, or light content creators to plug into projectors, external SSDs, or wired headphones without the inconvenience of dongles. Windows Central emphasized that the finish feels premium, and that the port selection is genuinely adequate for everyday needs. The trade-offs are worth acknowledging. The 14-inch OLED display delivers vivid colors, but most configurations are limited to 60 Hz, which does not scroll as smoothly as 90 Hz or 120 Hz competitors, particularly noticeable when browsing or animating windows. The Snapdragon X platform running Windows on ARM delivers smooth multitasking, productivity, and streaming performance, but heavy gaming and specialized x86 professional software may face compatibility or optimization issues. Simply put, if your work depends on niche Windows x86 applications, you should not treat the Zenbook A14 as your primary workstation. But if your daily routine revolves around office apps, web conferencing, browsing, email, and light photo editing, the performance feels seamless. Another strength lies in durability and design. The matte ceraluminum finish resists smudges and fingerprints, and features a non-repeating surface pattern on each lid, making every unit unique. This thoughtful design approach helped the Zenbook A14 earn the iF Design Award 2025, proving that value here extends beyond hardware specifications into long-term satisfaction and resistance to wear. It was also recognized at CES 2025 with an Innovation Award for Sustainability and Energy, underlining its efficient energy profile that directly translates into longer, real-world use. Pricing in Vietnam at launch was about 29.9 million Vietnamese dongs, with current retail levels ranging from 26.99 to 29.39 million, equivalent to approximately $1,050 to $1,150 USD. This places it in the upper mid-range for Windows laptops, so the question is whether it is truly reasonable for anyone prioritizing ultra-light portability, all-day battery life, comprehensive connectivity, quick sign-in with an IR webcam, and a chassis that resists dirt and scratches. The premium over heavier, shorter-lasting machines makes sense. for gamers or those seeking high refresh rates and dedicated graphics, however. It is not the ideal choice. Yet for those who spend their days moving from office to cafe to co-working space, the Zenbook A14 delivers a rare combination. A sub-1 kilogram laptop with a 70 watt-hours battery, full ports, and high build quality at a price still within reach of many professionals and students. Reviewers consistently note that its finish feels closer to high-end ultrabooks costing more, which means that buyers are paying not for benchmark bragging rights, but for the elimination of everyday frustrations, sore shoulders, constant charging, or forgotten adapters. In this sense, reasonable is defined not by being the cheapest, but by maximizing day-to-day value within a still acceptable budget. In the bigger picture of what makes a laptop worth buying, the Zenbook A14 is the right machine for the right people: students, office workers, sales staff, journalists, and mobile creators who want an extremely light Windows PC with genuine all-day battery life, resilient design, instant readiness, and useful AI features that work offline. Gamers and heavy graphics professionals should look elsewhere. But for its target users, the Zenbook A14 represents a smart and well-balanced choice. That is why, at the Better Choice Awards 2025, it rightfully stands as a top contender for Best Value Laptop, redefining the word reasonable not as cheap, but as perfectly matched to the needs of everyday life.